Hi, good day. I would like to introduce myself to you. I am Leslie Faye Moore, a graduate of bachelor degree in business management in Quilimbon College here in the Philippines. Currently working as a loan processor in financing industry where we cater a truck loan, car loan, and yes. Aside from that, I am looking for a part-time job as a virtual assistant. Since I do not have any experience in a in a as a virtual assistant, I am eager to learn and quick learner and detail oriented. Moreover, I do have an experience in customer relation management since I am working in financing industry. I also use Monday.com and Google Spreadsheet to organize my tasks and my work. If I don't know or I don't understand how it works, the work that you offer, I rather ask the boss or Google it to fully understand it, the work that you offer. Okay? Also, I do first come first serve basis if I have a multiple client because I believe the client can wait for a while. And if I cause a delay, um, if I cause a delay, I do apologize and appreciate their time for waiting, and I'll make sure that it won't happen again. And lastly, if a client wants to charge 400 euros or pounds, I would suggest our maximum of 250 euro only. Thank you. And hope